So here's Primal Pizza. We're getting ready to do a taste testing. So here's our setup. There's MJ. She's just making a first pizza. This one is going to be a butter chicken pizza, one of my absolute faves. It's got a butter chicken base with curried chicken, mozzarella, onions,
and topped with cilantro.
And topped with cilantro. Yum. This is one of my favorites. A lot of people might think, what? Butter chicken pizza? Wait till you see it come out. You will not believe it. That looks so good. Can you see how the edge is already starting to brown and puff up? I just gave it a turn. It's looking really, really good. But let me show you. Yeah, see that? That's what you want. It's like a leopard stippling. That looks absolutely fantastic.
Video?
Look at that. Oh my god. And now you know what goes on that? Some cilantro. Oh, soft and crunchy. This is one of my absolute favorites. Love it. What do you say, MJ? Ah.
Get some cilantro over here. I'll take this piece.
It's hot. Yeah? Good enough to eat?
Delicious. Delicious.
Let's see the bottom. Yeah. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna eat some. What are you making now, MJ?
I'm going to make a pepperoni, bacon, onion pizza.
Oh my god. Love it.
Canada Day. Long weekend. Happy Canada Day. I'm going to make a Canadian pizza.
Alright.
It's pepperoni, bacon, and mushrooms. With some onion.
Oh, is it almost done?
Yeah.
Look at that.
She's done.
Oh yeah.
On the top.
What?
I'm going to put a little bit of mushrooms on here.
Are you? You're just going all out.
It's a Canadian because it's Canada Day.
Okay. I think that's going to be delicious. These are roasted mushrooms. Oh, it's going in. Yeah.
They're my favorites.
I know it is. Yep. Oh my god, look at that.
Yep. That needs more.
It does.
Yeah.
More. It's looking good. Oh, I think it's ready. What do you think of that?
Let's eat it.
Run your paper down.
Just put it down.
Oh.
Smells so delicious. Crunchy.
Let's see.
Listen. Crunchy,
Up
soft.
and crunchy.
Oop.
It's hot.
Weekday mornings with Stu Jeffries.
I love listening to you in the morning.
You don't say.
So delicious.
I
Got the
know.
radio right beside you.
Love it.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.